Hello, good morning to you all. Today we'll see a beautiful app from the Google which is called PhotoScan. Yes, PhotoScan is the application which removes the glare or any distortion on the photo. For example, we'll see, just go to Play Store and search for PhotoScan by Google. So I have already downloaded this. So for example, this is the photograph. For example, this is your photograph and album. You need to do just move your camera circle to the four dots. First one, second, third, fourth. So this is the photo scan image here. In this example I didn't use any photograph, so it didn't appear much, but if you use a real photograph you can fix the frames for that photograph, and the glare, if you have any glare on a photograph that is a real-time photograph, that will be removed. And just give a try. You can rotate this also. Just give a try and check whether it is working or not. I hope you like this, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.